Oh no! The duck got stuck in the muddy puddle! Mew Mew, I'll leave little animals to you. No problem. The duck's head was stuck in the can. Let's cut open the can. The duck is also covered in the trash. The duck looks dirty. Let's take it for a bath. Oh no! Its webbed foot was also wounded. Let's apply some ointment on it. Great! The duck is clean and healthy now. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it. Wow, it's ready to be adopted. It's so adorable, and I really like it. I've decided to adopt it. Is it okay? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it, and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. You're its owner now. Please care for it. I fell down when walking and fiddling with my phone. Ouch!
Don't worry, the guardian is coming to give first aid. Saline solution can be used to clean the wound. Ida 4 can eliminate bacteria on the wound. Watch your step when you walk. It hurts if you fall down and bleed.
All right, I will watch my step when walking. Thank you, Guardian.
You're welcome.